Hi guys! Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a sandwich. Yes, that's right, a fantastic sandwich. What you do first is you take some mayonnaise and you lather on the mayonnaise. And then what you do is take the turkey. You get a bunch and you lather on the turkey. Then what you do next is you get the cheese. Get the Mexican style cheese. Mexican style. And then you lather on the cheese. What you do with the cheese, you sprinkle it. You just sprinkle it. Oh, beautiful. Then what you do next? This stuff I love the best. It's kale. What you do next is you sprinkle the kale. Make it look beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Then what you do next? Take a piece of lettuce. Okay, this is very technical. Now, you crack the middle like that, and then like that, and then like that. And then it becomes a paper,